everybody, welcome back for an unboxing. I'm gonna take the plastic off, but I've got to pull this aside because it has my shipping information on it. Okay. And there was a thank you note. Okay, this is what was wrapped around it on that side. Thank you. Our notebooks are small, but our gratitude is big. And I've got something in here by Slimbo notebook. I've purchased some Slimbo notebooks in the past. They're kind of passport sized. They're really unique. And I have a little kit here, which I'm excited to share with you. And that is a really cute box, which I'm gonna keep for storage when I'm not using this. So I will link down below Slimbo notebooks. I mainly know about him through Instagram and through YouTube, but he is a gentleman that's in Texas, and he does a lot of journaling for keeping track of goals, journaling for keeping track of your mental space, and if you're setting like weight, business, whatever type of goals, like journaling, not the and I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it, not the journaling like the the decorative floral journaling. This is like I don't want to say productive journaling because the other as well, but it's journaling to help you with certain outcomes that you're working on in your life, whether it be personal, fitness, or your health, financial, that type of stuff. And he has created a wallet, and there's a leather version of this, and then there's this version. This version is I forget what the material is called. It reminds me of Craft Tex. They call it Tyvek. A Tyvek wallet. And it is, I don't know how to describe it. It reminds me of Craft Tex, that stuff that companies use to make craft folders for, travelers' notebooks and other things. And so you'll see there's 2 card slots here. You'll see there's a big pocket here in the back for your notebook. And there's also another pocket in here. So a big pocket here. So I mean, if you really wanted to, you could also put a notebook in the front, except I can't for some reason get it to go in. Anyways, you can put a notebook in the front. You can put a notebook here in the back. So you can store at least... Why can't I do this? Wait. There's got to be something that I'm not doing right. Because you saw me just pull this out of there. Okay, there we go. Got it in. And it holds, so you can put, your driver's license, your credit card, your IDs. You could put cash back here. This is about the same size as the COVID vaccination sheet. Here, let's read what it says. Please accept this note of kindness as a thank you for being you. Pass along to someone else. That's cute. And then it says, the wallet will break in and take shape within 7 to 10 days. Give it some time. We use a little glue around the edges to make them. The glue may make the preloaded notebook a little hard to get in and out. Okay, that's what I was having trouble with. We include it so it will take the brunt of the breaking in. Try using a stiff card, like a credit card, around the inside to loosen the glue. We have done this prior to shipping, but it takes a little time to fully break in. Our classic craft notebooks will fit it the best, but any of our craft notebooks should work. Our poly notebooks will not work. Okay, this isn't the poly notebook. This is a craft notebook, but it's the one that looks like the they call it the gamer. I ordered a gamer set as well, and it comes with 3 of the inserts that have the grid. And you can get these in grid or lined or blank, and I really like the grid. What I did in the past with my other ones is I cut them down to passport size. I got rid of the curve. But now that I have the wallet, and if you look, it's the shape of a back pocket. So this will fit in your back pocket perfectly. Let's see. The wallet can take up to 8 cards, but keep in mind that once you stretch out the slots, they won't fully return to their original shape. We think 2 cards in each slot is a super sweet spot. These wallets are designed for minimal carry. Give it a try. Yeah, I was thinking I could make a calendar this size, make a monthly calendar this size. Interesting. Or I don't know. I've got some ideas, and I'm liking it because it's, as you can see, it's something different. I've gone back to using my Chic Sparrow as my wallet. I'm not going to show you here, but I've got cards up in the front and some cash. And then, or actually, no, I don't have cash. I had to pay for parking the other day. And some cards here in the back. But it's all way too much stuff. I don't need to carry it all with me. But I do have a little micro calendar. I'm thinking I could maybe keep a notebook in here. Put the cards that I need. And then like my vaccination and stuff in here. And then have that be my wallet. It's just a little bit bigger. Not that much bigger. Just something to think about. But what I will do is I will link Slimbo Notebook down below. Slimbo Notebook. I will link down below their webpage. And I will also link down below on Instagram. And I'm just really looking forward to having fun with this. But I just thought this was perfect. It reminds me of the old original handheld Nintendos. The simplicity of it all. Okay, so that's all I have. Just a quick little unboxing to share. I just realized the whole setup looks a little janky today, but that's how we're rolling. Okay, have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.